Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Chrysler 300 spoiler full guide. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical surprises. Put on safety glasses and gloves, then open the trunk and support it securely. Gather a ratchet, trim tools, and a torque wrench. I'll walk you through removing interior trim, unplugging the third brake light, and backing out the spoiler bolts step by step. With the trunk open, remove the interior trim carefully using a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching paint or cracking clips. Unfasten any visible screws or bolts securing the trunk liner near the spoiler base. Reach behind the liner, find the third brake light wiring connector, and detach it gently. Keep fasteners organized for reinstalling. If clips resist, apply steady pressure and work outward to avoid breaking them while exposing the spoiler bolts. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more auto guides. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your car smelling clean after working on paint and trim. It's small but effective and lightens the mood in a garage full of solvents. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. From inside the trunk, use a ratchet to remove the nuts or bolts that secure the spoiler to the trunk lid, working evenly across both sides. Ask a friend to support the spoiler as you loosen the final fasteners so it doesn't fall and damage the paint. Once off, set the spoiler down on a soft surface, clean the mounting area, and inspect gaskets and hardware for corrosion or wear before reinstalling or replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.